Welcome to Univ 100 Online. For this course, there are a few things that you need to know. There will be 3 modules that you will be completing, as well as other things that you are able to look at. The first module is what you need to know about getting started at Greenville. The second one is Know Yourself, and the third one is Know the Expectations. In each of these modules, there will be a variety of different assignments for you to complete. So if you click on the first one over here to the left, you will see that there are a variety of different assignments. Now you have to complete all of the assignments in order to continue on to the second modules. The modules will not pop up for you until the first one, the quizzes, are completed. So make sure you do every module. Those are the things that you will be graded on, and there is also some things that you can look at, such as opportunities at Greenville, which you may find helpful, as well as just general Greenville updates. If you have any questions, you can email Erica Nays at greenville.edu or Marcos Gilmore. Thank you and welcome to the class.